Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automotive Logistics and Supply Chain RedSofa. I'm here with Àlex Lerma, Logistics Manager for Seat and Cupra's customer-driven supply chain projects. We've just had a fascinating presentation and discussion on this very exciting control tower and project, which is playing a key role in integrating data and logistics information across the supply chain for Seat and Cupra. Àlex, I want to start on what role is this playing kind of across the wider Volkswagen Group? Because to me, this is quite a standout project. Is it being used as a template for other things, for example?
Yep, so we have to align with them, of course, but we have started very early. So they are seeing our evolution, not only in the terms of control tower, we have also these disruptive things in the customer side, in the customer order process, and they're including it for example, in the customer order process strategy of the whole group. For the control tower, we are integrating the suppliers and they are delivering also a platform which is going to have a lot of information of the suppliers, not only transactional information like our stocks or something like that. They're going to have these bankruptcy risks or these geopolitical things and so on, and then they are connecting also to the Catena X. So we have to align ourselves not only in terms of data but also in the functionalities that we are delivering with this data, and they are all very, very on us, and we are taking data from them and we are sharing data with them.
Fantastic. So, but it is clearly a bit of a North Star in the group for various other digital logistics projects. Can you talk to us about, in terms of the control tower, how important a role is it playing in automating various parts of production planning and scheduling and logistics decisions?
So we are now delivering these advanced functionalities that we mentioned in the presentation, and we are transforming then the operative people. So they are seeing that we can do more things with data that they expected. So we are not impacting very much in the planning, but we are delivering, for example, alerts for disrupting things that we are seeing. Or transportations that we see that they are going to impact in our production, but directly in our MRP or our production program, we have delivered some POCs, so proof of concepts, that they are going to be more impactful, and they have participated in the development of this. So the software is also based on a use case that they want us to make. So this is going to make a big impact afterwards, and then we have to see how this evolves.
So, but clearly it seems to be playing quite a cross-functional role, and I believe you're helping to lead a cross-functional team within this project.
Yeah, so this cross-functional team not only helps us in this planning from the program, but we are going also to impact in before they go to production. So in the commercial side, so how are we managing the orders? So if they have too much stock, how do we take these inputs, and how do we deliver also with the restrictions that we are going to have now? A PhD that is going to focus on the restrictions, so the trends that we had in the past. So how can we avoid it in the future, and help also the commercial part, the sales part, to plan their orders also better.
That's a really important part. So really write down, as the project says, to the customer side of it. Can you talk to us about some of the advantages you've been able to realize in areas like inventory management and reducing logistics time, delivery time?
Yep. So for the inventory, for example, this dynamic stock thing that I presented, it expects to have a 5% impact in the stock overall. So our warehouses, so we produce 10,000 cars per week, so it will be a very big impact. And for the delivery time, we're focusing ourselves in more in the other part, so in the customer part. So we are now, as we mentioned, so we have disrupted. We have in the customer part, in the customer order process, there we have some advantages, some flexibility that this control tower is going to make more robust, and this flexibility will lead us to a shorter delivery times in the future. So the customer won't see it, but we will assign a car that is going to be produced in less time than we produce it right now.
And we talked about this on stage, but can you just give our audience a little bit of a sense of some of the challenges that you face in integrating this data that you have so far? We talked about 130 odd suppliers, 200, maybe 250 plants by the end of the year. What are some of the challenges that you've had to deal with and managed in that?
So the main challenges is to convince of the collaboration, to see that the suppliers are willing to connect with us because they see this advantage of the collaboration. At the beginning, we had to set up a team that it's mainly convincing them or showing them the benefits that they have, not only now but in the future, exchanging data with us. Not only their data is coming to us, we are sharing also the programs and our stocks to them, so they see also they can plan themselves better and so on. So we have to have this multifunctional team, so they are convincing them, they are checking that the integration is correct or not in the technical part, they are revising the quality data that they send and speaking with them if they don't follow the rules of the quality data that we have. And this is the main challenge that we have is to convince them to collaborate with us and to invest a little bit in this collaboration.
Fantastic. And let's just finish on some of the next steps to realize where is this project heading over the next couple of years? What's some of your vision? And give us a little sense of what some of the next key milestones are in that.
So we have to focus ourselves in building these advanced functionalities to connect with them. So this will be the main challenge also, and to see how the departments are willing to make more advanced functionalities. So how they use the data, how they learn to use the data, to see in the future how are we connecting it and building in a 3 years vision this supply chain digital twin that we all already commented.
Fantastic, Àlex. Well, we're really excited to follow this journey and share the next stage of developments for SEAT and Cupra. Thank you so much for joining us at the conference and on the RedSofa.
Thank you.